We are going to look at all of them within the next short time. It is the aim. This thing was laid some years back. Now, because of the using of the GI pipes, some of them have started rusting. When they run the pump, they are leaking. So the pump was put off. There's a pump there that you see red inside there. Yes. The system was put off some years back. So we are now saying we need to have the system back. So we're going to connect this system to that pump and also connect it to national water. So that fully it will be charged with water. In case of anything, the institution is always what? Ready. Not only that you should wait for fire, even training, when you're talking about safety, firefighting, you can have practicals. Nakawa trains people outside there for international safeties. You have seen always these fire brigade people coming with their vehicle here. It means that if we finish this, you will not see that police vehicle coming here. Because we would have the same system they are bringing here to hire Nakawa to do the what? To do the demos. We will now only pull the horses from there, bring to the field, and people practice. And people train. Yes. That is the purpose of this. So, you are going to come with a report. All these that I've been talking are supposed to be seen in your report, and I'll be the one marking the report. That's when I will get to know the people who are here and those who are not what? Now, a report is not something that you're supposed to be given a leaflet like this and say, okay, copy this. A report is your brain. Since the project is started up to the end of it, the only thing we are going to take you to give you is our design, the one we use to come up with what we have done. Design is the first. You should first survey, then you come to designing. After designing, then now you arrange the activities. You will have all those activities listed, okay, in the report. But we have got people, when they are doing the report, you find the person goes ahead even to copy a report of appeal. He's a gentleman, but when you go somewhere there, it's called appeal. When you go to acknowledgement, he acknowledges the parents of appeal. Appreciation goes to the parents of, then you say this Uganda. So you can easily pour a leaf about something you don't know. But a report means you are telling people who are not there in written that this is exactly what we did. We did. That's what we call a report. You will be going for industrial training. You do your things there. For us, we shall follow you to supervise. You are the one to put whatever you did, what? You just arrange your activities down. We shall go through report writing as well once the works are done. Are we together? Yes, sir. But what it means now that you should be able to copy the notes down, whatever we are doing from here. These are among the activities. The report has things like a cover page, it has an abstract where you put everything together, okay? It has acknowledgement, okay, table of contents, mark them, there are many, we'll take you through. So when you are here, this stage now is implementation. The methodology, what did you do? The activities you did. That's what we're going to start. The other thing is when you are dealing with the machine, please, let's avoid playing so that we don't hurt one another. The machine should be in front, wire should be behind because it is heating. Can easily do what? Is it really on? Because I'm seeing some fly there. Is the machine on? Turn the knob. This side. This side. On. So if you don't have any question, or if the person has a question, you can ask. Sometimes I get a bit obsessed when I see people not asking me something, as if they have done it before. Then when you go to really work, then you find people doing the opposite. I'm not forcing you to ask. You can only ask when you should ask. Since we are going to go in this way, and we have to divide it up, are you going to cut out changes from there or out there? Because we are not allowed to disturb after doing this. Yeah, most of these pipes we are going to bring from inside. Okay? Shall be running, starting to run from there. Join us, we are moving until we finish the pipes. The time. The time how? Because when you look at this guy, for example, you're always supposed to have a fitting. Can we have any fitting there? Okay, come with it. Which fitting is this one?
T.
Now, I told you this is plain. Okay?
Yes.
This is plain T. Hopefully to got T. As long as it is equal in all areas. So the machine is made in such a way that one side is female and one side is what?
Male.
The female side will accommodate the pipe, then the male side accommodates the fitting. You hit them together at the same time. Let's assume this is my pipe, which is supposed to be the way. Okay? So you press them and they should be square. And like I said, these are a bit bigger pipes. We will want people, sometimes you can even be two here. Or another one here, another one here. Then somebody else goes the what? The machine. All together. Make sure that the pipes are not maybe bending, the pipe and the fitting. They should be all square in such a way that when you are pushing them, they are moving square. Okay? Because sometimes you find somebody someone has heated the pipe badly. For example, instead of hitting this pipe wholesomely, it has made an angle. Okay? The whole of here is heated, then here is not what?
Heated.
You'll find maybe it was bending as they were pushing here. So that will give you issues. It means when you are joining, this side will come up to where? Will you survive the pressure?
No.
So it means that's why we are saying that mark it. If at all the depth, because this is supposed to be a minimum of 37 for 4 inch, 37 millimeters. The same distance you find here, you can even take a measurement and mark with the tape measure. Measure this distance, take it to the pipe. So as you're hitting the pipe, because remember the pipe is entering inside, you will not be able to see it again. But when you are hitting it, you will be able to see.
The
When
mark.
it reaches the mark, you remain there.
Yes.
But for the one hitting the joint, you know you can see even the size. Okay? It means when it reaches here, the joint reaches here, it is now ready for what?
For joining.
Now another thing is all the joints must move. The joint and the pipe should move at the same time. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
That's why we need equal pressure. That's why it was supposed to be one person.
Mm.
The same force you're applying from here, physics. When you push, there must be the same reaction from the other side.
Opposite.
Are we together?
Yes.
So sometimes when it is different people, you find this one is just sleeping here, or you are busy pushing this way. By the time you remove, this person is here. For you aware?
Yeah.
Are we together with that question?
Yes, sir.
Another one?
Since we are doing there, can you use PPR this time instead of using the same page for each paper?
Good question. When you look at materials, you got those notes. Eh? Did you read them? Olivia, you read them. You read the notes. You read the notes, or you just kept them since you could. The advantages of materials over the others. We told you that those days, cast iron, galvanized iron, PVC, those were the dominant what?
Asbestos pipe.
Chinese are working every day. Even when we are here, they are busy inventing something new. They brought a new type of material in plastic form, but again improved plastic called PPR. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Give you in class. This one doesn't rust. When you look at the one we have there, rust is it. And now because the water we use are mostly national water, which has chlorine. Chlorine eats up metals seriously. That's why after some time, it starts what? Rusting. It clogs some of the pipes. Find now some pipes have reduced in diameter. That's the reason we are now changing to the
PPR.
technology. This one, when it stays there, it has a lifespan of over 25 years. When it is still in the same state. Also, if you buried it down, when you expose it to the ultraviolet light, that's why you find it starting to peel. This PPR. Okay? That's the reason we are now going to this. And commonly, in general, plastics are taking the market now compared to even in the price. The materials for making this, and these are some of the things you should be there putting. The reason why this project was the rationale. You are trying to justify. This is why they call justification in your report. Why did you do the project? Such things should come in. The system was off, the pipes had rusted. There was need now for us to change from GI to PPR.
PPR.
Any other thing? If there is nothing, please, those who are not in class, go back and sleep. Allow the ones in class to start the work.